Hi, in this video I'm reviewing for you the Weber Compact Kettle Charcoal Barbecue with 47 centimeters or 18-inch cooking surface. You can also find a link of this Weber Kettle Charcoal Grill underneath this video if you're interested in it. We are very happy with this barbecue for our home usage. It is a great size. It is not too big, and it's small, and it still has a lot of capacity to barbecue on. And it's also on these wheels, which is great, so you can wheel it around as well. What we also love about it is has this collection tray for any ash, which is great underneath, so it doesn't get your garden or patio dirty. We also love the fact that it has these vents underneath that can be closed, and they are also on the lid, so they can also the barbecue, the charcoal can be extinguished very fast like that if you close both vents. We are very happy with this Weber barbecue. We can highly recommend it to you.